The content on your page exists out of elements, and we use elements to build out your page from text, icons, buttons, images, and so forth. To work with elements, go to the sidebar on the left and select Add Elements. From the pane, you will see that there are quite a number of elements categorized into different categories. To bring any element onto a page, and in this case we will use the text element, click and hold the element, then drag it, and you will see these thick gray lines appear at different places on the page. Wherever you see that thick gray line or any thick line, that means the element can be dropped in that area. I'll let go, and you can see our text element comes in with some placeholder text. Elements can also be moved. Simply click and hold on the element you want to move and then start dragging it, and the blue circle indicates that you are now dragging that element into a new place on the page. Interact with elements by clicking on them, and this will bring up the context toolbar. For some features like the delete, copy, and many style features like padding, margins, and animations, these will be similar across all elements, while the rest will be contextual on which element you have selected. In this case, you will see that we have these features for the text element. If I go down here and click on this element, you will see that the toolbar is different because this is an icon box element. To duplicate an element, from the options toolbar, select duplicate. And delete, simply select delete. Remember that you can also right-click when hovering over an element to open a context menu that will give you similar features like copy, duplicate, and delete. The Elements drawer on the left from the Add Elements option also gives you the opportunity to search for element when you quickly need to find it. If I'm looking for a video, I can simply type in video, and that gives me the video element. Click, hold, and drag, and there it goes onto the page. Many of the elements you'll find that you will never use, or for that specific website you may not find it useful. To clean up your workspace, go to Edit, and now you will have the option to deselect certain elements that you think you will not use, or those that you've seen not useful for your specific site. Then select Done, and now you have a reduced menu. You can always bring those back later in the event that you find that you do need some of those deselected elements.